Hi, everyone, and welcome at a very special episode of Head in the Cloud, Heart in the Community, as today we will speak to one of our favorite Canadian teddy bears, who will who will tell us more about the AZOps event that's coming up next week. We have been seeing a lot about it on social media, and I'm sure, like everybody else, we're very excited to find out more. But before we talk to Anthony Bartolo, I would like to head over to Holly to also quickly say hi.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to rainy Seattle. It is gray and cloudy out, but I am excited because we have a bit of sunshine on the call with us today. I personally have to tell you, I check the ITOps Talk blog daily. That's where I go to get kind of like what's new, what's current, what's happening, because the CDA Azure community is awesome. You guys are made of a bunch of rock stars, and you're doing a rock star event. So I love it. I love the concept and the feel, but before anybody else can talk more about it, you are the man. So tell us what's happening.
So first of all, thank you for having me on, Isidora and Holly. This event is built on behalf of the community. We heard the feedback after Ignite. You know, a lot of people loved Ignite. A lot of people loved the information that was shared. But the biggest feedback that we received was, awesome that it's a live stream. Awesome that we have all this content made available for us. But in terms of what's happening right now, I can't sit in front of my computer for the entire length that's occurring for this live stream, and I have to wait, for a lot of amount of time for me to see the videos that I missed out on. That's a challenge. And so we built out this event, so ITOps talks all things hybrid, specifically in a way that we'll have a kickoff, and that kickoff will be by none other than Mark Rosinovich, which we're very excited about.
That's huge.
Huge, yeah. and it's totally on a new topic. Usually, you hear Mark speak about sysinternals or adoption of cloud or where the cloud is going. This is specifically going to concentrate on your on-premises environment in a hybrid cloud and how it can take advantage of cloud services. Not a migration, but a pairing of the two, which is awesome. Totally new content by Mark, so we're very excited about that. As soon as the keynote is done, it's the only live portion that we have, which includes a Q&A with Mark as well, which everybody can participate in.
Okay.
20 sessions, ranging from 45 minutes to an hour each session at 300 level depth, based on the questions specifically asked by the community and the aspects of adoption for a hybrid architecture from both security, management, end user enablement, you name it, is covered in 20 sessions for the community to digest at their leisure. So there is no, you have to watch the stream at this specific time.
Right.
The live stream made available on Learn TV, made available on YouTube, on Facebook, and on Twitch. So we have multiple venues that you can go and watch it out. Also the ability to interact at that time as well. The content then launches right after. So it's a 90-minute session keynote with a Q&A. Right after that, there's all the content, 20 videos available immediately. The direct URL to get access to the 20 sessions specifically, aka.ms/ITOps talks. You also then have access to our Discord server. One of the big things that I miss, especially at Ignite and Build and these big conferences, is interaction with the community in the hallways, right? Yep. Doing the presentations is awesome, but I thrive on talking with the community, seeing the challenges, hearing the challenges that they're going through. And those hallway conversations is something I really miss. We're trying to drive that on behalf of the community in Discord. So in midst of every session, there is a specific Discord room that's available on our server that you can gain access to and have open-ended conversations about the content that's being presented. What's more is that those rooms are open now. So if you go to itopstalks.com and you go through the blog post and they have the full listing of all the rooms and how to join the Discord server, you can then go into the Discord server and start the conversation early before the February 2nd launch. We did that purposely because, again, this is for the community. We have engineers from Microsoft that are already in those rooms that are ready to field questions. And we want to capture that, essence of the back room hallway conversations that we would have at Ignite prior to the event so that we can build further awareness and excitement around the subject matter that will be shared and gather further feedback and input to make sure that we're doing the right things in putting on an event like this.
So I think I hear two things. One, we didn't mention the exact date and time. So for those of you that want to hear Mark live. It's February 2nd, 7:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So everybody join. Let's get them a great audience. Ask all the questions because this is an amazing opportunity. And the other thing that I want to touch on is that when we say Microsoft cares about your feedback, we genuinely do. And the event that the CDA community and our engineering community is putting on for you is hearing, we want more technical depth, done. We want to engage with Microsoft, done. And we want the sessions where we can get it at our fingertips, done. So we genuinely, love the work that you put into this event. I think it's going to be an amazing opportunity.
That last piece is the interaction. So having those open-ended conversations.
Yes.
To go to the Discord, our Discord server specifically, it's aka.ms/ITOps-talk-discord. And you can actually register for it now and start having conversations in there now. Pierre just pinged me, producer Pierre from our AZ Update show, to say engineers are there already. So if you want to go in and start having those conversations, do so. And the community also participates. And that's what I love too. It's not just, I'm the smartest person in the room, because I'm definitely not. It's the whole aspect of everybody sharing ideas, everybody sharing feedback, everybody learning off of each other. Everybody has something to share, to teach. I love being a learn-it-all because I get to absorb everybody's insights and everybody's experiences and then share my own as well. And we all learn together as a community.
Absolutely.
Definitely. I'm already part of the group, so I see I even have the notifications on at the moment, which probably I'll have to switch off because there's a lot going on. So if you have not joined, make sure you do, because the pre-conference fun actually already started on a Discord channel. But not just there, Anthony. I've seen your whole team being super active on socials for not just the past few days, actually the past few weeks, and even the past few months before we even knew there was an event coming up, right? You had all these little teasers coming up here, coming up there. You have word puzzles going on. I really have to say all the work that you have been doing so far, especially with all this cryptical and hints and so on. That's really fantastic. So we're very much looking forward to February 2nd, to all the content that you will make available for the community, and especially to interact with everybody from your team, Microsoft, as well as the audience who is watching, listening, following all the sessions. So thank you so much, Anthony. We're very much looking forward to it. And good luck to you and the whole team and everybody who's involved in the event.
We'll see everybody February 2nd. Take care.
See you.